Hello guys, it's Ria here and welcome back to Programming and Tag and in my welcome back to in my new video. And in this video, this is my third video in my Python course. If you haven't accessed my playlist where I upload my Python video, then link is in description. Save that playlist now. And next thing is, if you haven't subscribed and turned on the notification bell, then why guys? Please, I am giving you everything that I learned from a paid course for absolutely free. Then why are you not subscribing? If you subscribe, if you like, if you comment, if you share and tell them to subscribe, it really motivates me a lot. And I am gonna do more interesting videos. I am bringing my videos earlier than before. If you do that thing, I am gonna do this thing. So let's start. So today we'll be talking about one more thing. So in the first video we talked about introduction, second video we talked about installing Anaconda Navigator, and in third video we'll talking about a website, so which you don't need to install. There is a installable version, so you can install this or you can use it on the website. I suggest you to use it on the website, and when you become a professional you can use it by installing. And why installing and both are same, but let me talk about it quickly. So this website is dash tpps github.com. So here it's open slash Rianrickson. So slash Rianrickson is actually my GitHub account. So when you open GitHub account, let me show you it in incognito mode. So guys, this is how https github.com looks, and when you come here you see this thing. How beautiful is this? So now if you want to see a person that how talented he is, you see his marks card. Okay, how he's in study, you see his marks card. So if you want, if you are employer and somebody is asking for a job, what you see his resume. In resume he is written, he will write where, how he worked, how much years of experience does he have, where he studied, and things like that. And after seeing his resume you decide to take him or not. After seeing his mark certificate you can know how good he is in studies. There are much more things. So for a programmer now, let you or let us assume that I am an employer, I want a programmer. So what I actually see is not his resume, I see his GitHub account, how much projects he has done. So in short, GitHub is like identity card for every programmer. Before starting programming, I tell you guys to actually use GitHub. So this is GitHub's main page, and here you can see 100 million plus repositories, 56 plus million developers are nothing but programmers, and 3 plus million organizations. So there is a festival coming every October. So this time you missed, next time you can attend it. That's Hacktoberfest. So here you can see give your code a home in the cloud. So what's actually cloud? So if you are using a Android phone, you may have a Google Drive. If you are using a iOS or Apple device, you may have iCloud. That's you can store your photos, videos, and even WhatsApp messages in the cloud. So where do you store your program files? I have written a program for a game, so you store it on GitHub. So here it shows you to sign up, and once you sign up, wait a minute. So it asks you for a Gmail ID. So here, join GitHub, create your account, username, email address, password, and it actually sends you a verification link. And creating account in any website is as easy as drinking water, and you might know it. So I am not gonna show that person. I'm not gonna show you that because why I cannot create one more account, so that's not good. You create multiple accounts of a thing. So once you created a GitHub account, you will be like this page. So my GitHub accounts link and GitHub websites link will be given in description. Do check it out, because whatever website I mention in my videos, I give their link in description. And once you come here, you actually see this is github.com/Rianrickson. So this is my account. So you can also follow me because whenever I do this, so I have uploaded a few files. So you can upload your files. How to upload we will showing you later. So once we create our file in Python, I will be showing you how to upload. So now there is also repositories. So that's nothing but you know group of files and its projects. So often employer, or the more projects you do in the GitHub account, the it shows that how talented or how experienced you are. So this is quite and good introduction to GitHub. So why I was saying it before, if you have seen any other course or if you take paid courses, then they say about GitHub in the last. But I am saying in this beginning, the reason is if you are a programmer and you don't know about GitHub, then it's gonna be a funny thing out. So that's all for today's video. Meet you in my next video. Till then, subscribe, like, share, comment. Bye bye.